The Shepherd's Search is a cooperative game, meaning all players work together to win together. This game, you're going to help the shepherd rescue his 4 sheep while not running into the snake and reach Bethlehem to see baby Jesus.
It's perfect for 2 to 4 players ages 6 and up and takes about 20 to 30 minutes to play.
This game will be played in 2 stages. The first stage, you are going to take the path tiles and build the game board for the shepherd to move on.
Stage 2, the search begins, and you help move the shepherd and the snake along the path to get to Bethlehem.
In your game box, you're going to find these game pieces you will use to play the game. We are ready to play stage 1 of the Shepherd's Search. In this stage, you will be taking turns drawing path tiles and laying them down to build the game board for the shepherd to move on in stage 2.
That's one of the things that makes this game so much fun, because the path and the game board are different every time you play.
For this stage, you are going to need your 32 path tiles, the Shepherd's Hill tile, and the Bethlehem tile. To start, you're going to put the Shepherd's Hill tile in the middle of the table. Then you're going to take your 32 path tiles, give them a good shuffle, and put them within reach of all the players. Lastly, you're going to set the Bethlehem tile aside till the end of stage 1.
Next, you're going to go with the youngest player, and you're going to start picking your path tiles and placing them to build your path.
Make sure you're laying them path to path, not path to grass.
Now, once you've laid all your tiles down and you've built your multiple different paths, find the longest path and place your Bethlehem tile at the end.
Now we're ready to play stage 2 of the Shepherd's Search. You're going to be using the board you built in stage 1 to get the shepherd to Bethlehem and rescue his 4 sheep.
Just watch out for the snake.
For stage 2, you'll be needing your collection card, place it near the board for everyone to reach, as well as your 6-sided dice for movement.
The other components you're going to need are your rescue items, and you're going to place those on the board on the rescue tiles with the item face down.
Then you're going to get your obstacles and place them also on the obstacle tiles on the board, which is sheep facing down.
Then you are going to take your 2 shoe snake cards, and you're going to give 1 to your 2 youngest players. And then you're going to take your action item cards and you're going to place those next to your board in a draw pile.
Then you're going to take your shepherd and start him on Shepherd's Hill. You're going to take your snake and put him on the tile in front of Bethlehem. Let's get ready to play! Roll the dice. So I rolled a 4. You're going to move the shepherd up to 4 spaces in any direction. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's an action. Maybe I should have stopped there.
Let's get an action card.
So you're going to stop your movement every time you land on an obstacle, an action icon, or a rescue item. Because the shepherd moved, we'll also have to move the snake 1 tile closer. Make sure you do this for every single time the shepherd moves. You also have to move the snake.
Oh no, what do we do, Jessica?
The snake is on the same tile as the shepherd. Do you have a shoe snake card?
I do. Shoe snake, save this card so a player can help the shepherd in an emergency. Move the snake away from the shepherd 5 spaces in any direction and put this card on the bottom of the action card pile.
So when you collect a rescue item, you'll flip it over. Look, it's the camel, and put it in your rescue item pocket. A 5, let's go rescue a sheep. So I'm going to move this way. 1, 2. I have a blue camel that matches my blue obstacle. I'm going to flip that over. It's a sheep. I'm going to put in the sheep pen. Oh, look, I rolled a 6. So that means I get to draw an action card. Share a story about a time you were worried or felt afraid and how you learned to be brave and trust God to help you.
Now that you've collected all your sheep.
And roll enough movement on the die to get the shepherd to Bethlehem. I rolled a 3. So 1, 2, 3.
Congratulations, you made it to Bethlehem. Now you get to turn over the Bethlehem tile to reveal Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus.
And that's how the game is played.